Today's breakfast: some greens, bacon, egg on English, and fresh pineapple. Two pineapples, bunch of bananas, 3 bacon, some deli ham, and turkey. I ended up getting all of the same flavor because all they had available was this flavor, pizza and barbecue, and this is the only flavor out of those that we eat. This smells pretty nice. I haven't used that one yet. Store brand because it's cheaper. I wasn't even sure if I had black beans at home, so to be safe, I picked one up. Got a can of the Southwest corn, can of mushrooms, some fruit cups, pear berry pomegranate, peach strawberry lemonade, and the tropical mixed fruit. And these are the bubble fruit ones, Italian bread, artisanal, is that how you say it, bread, some bistro flats, some iced oatmeal cookie Z-bars, and this granola. I hope it doesn't disappoint. It sounds really good. Almond butter clusters, and we like the ones that clusters and not necessarily like all the fine loose ones. The second grocery store, all these were on sale. These here also have Ibotta rebates. So this is the first time I've gotten the actual Hershey's chocolate pudding. This one is vanilla with the Reese's crumbles. This one is also, no, this one's marshmallow, and then it's topped with milk chocolate pieces and graham crumbles. These are like layers of peanut butter and chocolate, and this one is caramel and chocolate. Mountain Dews, lots of cookies, Reese's Pieces, Chips Ahoy brownie, and the Hershey's fudge filled, the chewy Reese's, some cheese and cheddar crackers. These are always the first ones to go when they have this sale, so I must have just hit it right. So I decided to stock up. Got some yogurts. That one is strawberry cheesecake. That one is orange cream. Some sour cream and onion ruffles. And the poppables, that one is Southwest Ranch, and the other one is white cheddar. This store had this bread. I've only been able to find it so far at Walmart, so now I know this store has it. So I grabbed, really like that sourdough, some plant-based Chobani creamer, some teriyaki chicken from the deli, avocado, and 3 mangoes.
But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
I have this very old funnel that I've had for over 3 decades. This was my very first funnel when I got married. Isn't that crazy? I got maybe 3 or 4 bottles here, so I won't need to do this for a while. In here I have leftover chorizo beans, and in here I have leftover rice. We're gonna add it to the carrots and kale and get a soup out of it.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago.
Picked up the soda deal that they have going. I wanted 2 of the acorn scented Mrs. Meyer's hand soap, but unfortunately that was the only one left. Picked this up for my pantry. That was from the Target Dollar Spot. Box of borax. Peanut butter monster trail mix. My son likes these. This is actually a better deal than getting them at Dollar Tree. Got some ham. I also went after the pumpkin, but they didn't have it, so I grabbed 3 of the maple vanilla. These are good through January, and I definitely went for stocking up because this is the only time of the year you'll see flavored whipped creams like that. This is a staple, and we just ran out, so picked up another bag. Grabbed 3 of these beef and cheese mini tacos. Picked up a package of pillow protectors. I actually wanted to pick up 2 of them, but they were $5 there at Target, and I want to see what Walmart carries them for. So for now I picked up 1. These were a little pricey, but I could not resist. They have pumpkin spice cookies with chocolate chips, and of course they're a limited edition. And then over here at Dollar Tree, I already gave it to Wick, but picked him up a treat. Picked up some cookie cutters. Love that turkey. Picked up a notepad. It's so adorable. And I do not like the loofers from Dollar Tree, but this one is Clean Logic. It seems to be really nice, so thought I'd give that a try. little sneak peek of work in progress. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to chatting with you in the comments.